Good morning, friends. I am Rahul. Today we are going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of AI. So, according to my point of view, I think AI is more important in the present time. It gives more information about, and it works like it works in the place of human resource. Okay, this is my point.
Yes, your point valid, sir. Because AI is a advanced level tools that we have. Because AI is available for 24 hours, so we can use any time for any queries or any problems. That's
Um, I agree with both of your points. AI is having a more power in right now, and it's very important for in every field. AI is taking part in every fields, and I think AI is help better right now. And AI is important in every field. Like we use ChatGPT for studies, and we use for any information we need. If any information we use AI. So yeah, AI is helpful right now.
Both means you present your points on AI. That's all are very valid points. But I think so. AI is harmful for us. Like they are uh, causing very bad effects to human life, like displacement of humans from jobs and very bad effects causing to our young youth. The incident has happened in where- somewhere. Incident happened like a boy using AI very different way, in very bad way. That because of that he got arrested, and I think so it busted his career into parts. Like I think so it is harmful also. It is not only good for health.
As you said, it is harmful, but it was the boys did. He did that because he wanted, and because of that, he got arrested and his career busted. But for everyone, it is not harmful. Some students use it for their asking questions, their queries. Like I am preparing for an exam now, so that's why I am using ChatGPT for making my short notes in bullet points. It explains in Marathi also, and it is present like you said 24/7 hour. It is available. It only requires net and not any other thing. So that's why I think ChatGPT is more useful for me and all the students if it is used in correct manner.
Yes, there are many students and very professors and using ChatGPT, but there is no bit to human intelligence. AI is developed for improving human skills, not for removing humans. Uh, when AI developed for in 2000. 2015 onwards, when before AI, many coders are doing coding without using AI tools. So they get skilled early, uh, and when AI are come right now, then students are search on AI and give code ready-madely. So this is harmful because they don't understand the syntax and how to write coding and how to run it. That's why it is harmful in this generation.
As my friend said, AI is very harmful for present generation, but I think uh, in present time, this become a part and parcel of our life. Without AI or with AI, we could get any kind of knowledge very easily. So I think this is a very important in present time.
Yes, my colleague said that harm for AI is harmful, but it is partially true. It is harmful when we not uh, responsibility use. If you use responsibility, so it is a good, or AI is a quickly quick machine that useful for many problems for the society.
Yeah, your point of view is correct. And AI give us accurate answers, accurate knowledges all from all over world. But I think AI make us depend on that, because before ChatGPT, I think student used to make their own notes, and student made. I think student um used to make used to solve questions by themselves, but now students are taking help from AI, and I think it's not good because we are depending on AI. Yeah, it's correct. AI giving us more helpful knowledges, and AI giving us many, uh, providing us many. I think what should I say? So yeah, so I think AI making us depending also. So it's not for good in that way.
As you said about it gives us correct answers, I don't think so. AI always gives us correct answers. Because sometimes it is wrong also, because at the end it is a robot. We can't feed everything in it. Uh, and yeah, it makes us dependent on it, which is not good for us. We should be independent, we should solve it ourselves, and we should, I mean, when we think, it improves our critical thinking, it improves our, and no, improves, it makes us lazy. And I think so, it makes us lazy. Yes, that will make sense.
I don't think so that it makes us lazy, and also, as you said, students are dependent on it for solving their questions and obtaining the answers. Students are dependent on them because they don't want to make their waste their time on searching the answers in books, like pages continuously going forward and inward. We have to search every answer like point wise, but it gives us direct answer. If you name it that I want answers from this book of this question, it gives us direct answer in only 5 5 to 4 seconds. So it saves us our time, and it also makes PDF for us. And as you said that it students take questions, means students make solve the questions from the AI. So they makes the AI solve the questions before exam for their practice, not for anything else, but for their practice they use it, and that's why it is useful. But some students also use it for cheating in exam hall for a quick thing, like taking scanning the paper and taking answers. So that is a wrong thing happening in our India, and that's why I think it is not good for students.
Now, before AI and Google and ChatGPT, s- students are and professor are also going to library and takes many books and read and gain proper knowledge, and then he applied on various things. Before AI, students and professor are also very knowledgeful uh, and when AI are come in full, then students are also get quick information. That's why it is also very benefits give students and professors. And yes, I believe on AI for giving information is correct.
Okay, as my friend said, uh, before AI, people or well-known learned person, teachers, student use to go libraries for study, for their study. And even nowadays, we use AI. Along with this, all people's or many people we can say used to go library for study. So there is not little bit difference coming after coming AI. We totally neglect these things. So AI is also important along with this library study, I think.
AI is useful for this generation, but older persons or older professor teachers whatever that are not known about the AI now, but it is a better or best platform to learn something new. For in previously they go to library search book for their proper answers, but it they also use AI for their answers. It is a good platform for themselves.
Yeah, your point is correct. I think AI can save our time. A lot of time we can save from AI. If I think and AI is beneficial also. AI helps human needs easily. If we need anything, we need any knowledge. If we need any information, and if we need any kind of help, AI can therefore help us. But I think AI can't take jobs from humans. Like there are many companies that that find their um, workers, but I don't think AI can take jobs. AI can be beneficial, but AI can't take jobs.
I agree with your point. AI sometimes can take job, but sometimes cannot because there are so many jobs available, and AI is good. As I said, AI is good and bad. Also, AI is a coin. Like it has two sides, good side and bad side. Also, its good side is it is helping improving India and young youth of India. It is helping people to earn money. I think AI is good also for Indians, for everyone.
I think AI is helping to the poor peoples or poor kids who can't afford tuitions or anything else like books. They can't afford books of graduation or classes. So, like Google provides us the links of books for downloading them and they can see it. And also, AI gives us answers which we have to find in guides. So, the money gets saved there also. And also before AI came, there was a point my friend said that people used to go library and read books. So the one who wants to read books, he can download on mobile and he read in the home as well as in library also. So if he don't want to pay that much money for books and also anything else, so he can download books on mobile also and read it. This was my point.
Now in our day-to-day life, AI acts as a teacher for students who not offered tuition fees and various institution fees. Begin while starting any types of course. He starting writing while he starting coding. He write a code on book and click photo and put on ChatGPT. and give syntax, improve my code and give correct code. Then ChatGPT improves our wrong code and it's give beneficial benefits to us. That's why I believe on ChatGPT for it improving our skills.
Okay, thank you, friends. Uh, AI is very important. Uh, Today we use various type of barcodes, and these barcodes are based on the AI tools. Within a click, we can use these various type of AI based tools like PhonePe or other thing, uh, Google Pay. There are so with the help of these tools, we also do our financial activities or financial works with the help of AI. So that is, I think, this is important thing for us.
Everyone say that AI give information, suggestion, uh, problem, answers of problems. But sometimes AI cannot understand our feelings. That is the main aspect of the AI. Disadvantages of the AI. Human intelligence, they easily understand our feelings. Uh, Whenever we talk our friend about any problems, they give us better solution. But AI give a solution, but in that own way. That is useful for us or not useful for us. It is depend on us. That is also a drawbacks of the AI. Maybe.
Yeah, your point of view is totally correct. But I don't think we use AI for therapies. We don't use for AI to solve our problems. Like we want to
Yes,
talk to
yeah.
anyone. Yeah.
If you have, if you alone in a home, that you will definitely use AI for any problems.
Any
You
problems?
can
Yeah.
call up to anybody. You can call.
Okay, yeah, we can call it. Yeah, your point was totally correct. He's not, AI doesn't have any feelings, and obviously it's normal because no any robots can have feelings, and it's the best way for human that a human can understand anyone's feeling. And AI is better in his own way, like he only can help, he can give only better knowledge, he can make our life much better and easier, and it only can he AI only can do that only.
It is enough for AI.
It's also enough for ourselves. We just need only that much information and help, I think.
I just think so. As you said, AI, like no one shares their feelings with AI. But I just want to say that in young youth, I just have seen on mobile and everywhere, like everyone is using AI and sharing our feelings with them. Uh, like whenever we are alone, we can call anyone. But when we are lonely, we cannot call anyone. We cannot share any our feelings with anyone if we don't have that specific person. If we don't have anyone to share our feelings with. So I just think so at that point AI is helping us, but sometimes it is harmful, like it gives us very wrong suggestions, but it totally depends on us that which suggestions we want to take and we which we should not. So yeah, it is both beneficial also and bad also.
There is one drawback I wanted to tell all of you that artificial intelligences like ChatGPT, Perplexity have been sold to United States of America, USA, for our basic our information which we search and what photos we ask him to make for us and other things, what emotions we want from them. Like these, all of these things they share with those peoples of United States, and they are currently preparing one thing, a thing like gathering all of our things or personal informations. So we need to lessen our use of ChatGPT for our personal use. We shall use it for our knowledge, increasing our knowledge and studies, not for making us new photos and anything else, and uploading our information for better use. So we shall not give our personal information to ChatGPTs like ChatGPTs and Perplexity.
Like banking informations.
Bank
No,
information.
Not
we
only
do,
banking information,
but all of our personal
all
information.
about. That means AI also uh, responsible for the cybercrime. Because of the misuse of the AI, that is very harmful for the society. Videos or blackmailing, that is all the problems that occur by the AI.
Hello friends. So we have to conclude ourselves, and this topic of artificial intelligence, its uses and misuses. So we have talked about many things, many points about artificial intelligence, in which there were many points which were useful for us, and there were two major points which weren't useful for us, like it shares our personal information and other things and other. So basically, artificial intelligence, like Devani said, it has two sides like a coin. So artificial intelligence is as useful as not useful. So we have to conclude this debate. I said a group discussion. So thank you all of you. We have to conclude.
Thank you.
Thank you.